Hello, welcome to the Quick Pallet Maker API. In this tutorial, we will explain how we can perform a calculation using JSON data and how we can present a simple interface to generate that data. So we will first log in and we will go to the part of the API documentation where we have tasks. Here in this task, we can calculate a list of pallets providing box dimensions. So we click on it and we see that we're going to do it in different steps. The first step is to create a shipment. This shipment number will be recorded in the database, will be added to the database, and it will be the reference to which we will assign the pallets and the boxes. So first, we just need our username. And with this, we generate a JSON, and that JSON will act as the input data. So when we do create, we have a method, this create new shipment method, that used the input and provided this output. It created a shipment ID. This shipment ID is the one that we will use for other steps. So now we're asked to add boxes. We want to add boxes that we want to calculate on a pallet. So we have this shipment ID, already the same one has already been added to this form, and we will enter the box amount, code, description, and the dimensions of the boxes. These are not stored in the database. We have other methods for that. So in this case, we have 13 boxes. We have a name of a box. Let's just put box 1, sample box. Box class, we can put anything. Color, we can just pick a color. And external length, we will put 410 by 270 by 123 millimeters. We add a weight of 9.12 kilograms, and we change the unit to millimeters and kilograms, and we add the box. When we do this, this is the input data, and we have the output. It says no errors, and we added a reference box to this. Okay, and it's number 8. Now we're going to add another one. The amount is 17. It's called box 2. The description could be the same. The class can be the same. We just put another color. Okay. The dimensions are different. This is 320 by 220 by 345. We have weight of 16.32 kilograms in millimeters, and we add the box. And this is box number 9. No errors. So now we can scroll down and we can add the pallet information. Okay, we already generated a shipment number. We added 2 boxes to the shipment, and now we're going to calculate the pallet. So here, we can just put a pallet code, or just a name. We're going to leave it in centimeters. We're working with millimeters and centimeters. It doesn't matter if we mix them. And we have the pallet length, 120 by 80 by 4.5 height. We have a weight of the pallet itself is 30. We can change the color, put something different. Put a X color gray. Okay, gray. And the maximum load length is 120 by 80, maximum height of 180, and the maximum load length of 1,200 kilograms. Okay, we have all this information here. And now we can just calculate it. We press the calculate button and we get a result. We have pallets, and this is a JSON too. We have information about the pallets. Okay, it has the location of each box on the pallet, and total pallets 1. When we scroll down, we also have the option for drawing the pallets. If we can check back up, we're doing 4 different methods. One generated the shipment, the other one added the boxes, the other one added the pallet dimensions and calculated it, and we have a 4th optional one is to draw the pallet itself. So with this information and a drawing ID that has been saved, we draw the pallet. click on here, and we see this palette drawing. Okay, it's an SVG information, and this is the palette arrangement. So to recap, what do we do here? We use an interface to the left to generate JSON input. We press the button and we generate the output. That output is later used for other methods that work the same. If you are programming your own interface to interact with the API, you will do something similar to this, or you just have your input in your own software. You can also contact us for any additional information. Thank you.